Hey, and welcome back to the shop. Adam here from Sklar Bikes, and I just got back from a really fun weekend in Portland at the Made Bike Show, which, if you haven't heard of it, is America's only hand-built bicycle show. It takes place every year in Portland. Um, yeah, and I had a lot of fun. This year I didn't have a booth at Made, but I had a bike in the Brooks booth, and there were a couple other floating around, which I didn't plan on, but it was fun to see. And I tried my best to do some videos. I had plans to do interviews and talk to people, but it's really fun to go. You walk around and working in the industry, I can't make it more than 5 feet before you run into someone you know. So it's like a big family reunion, super fun. Got to see so many people who I haven't seen in a while. And there were some cool bikes too. So I thought I'd go through just a couple of bikes and bike parts that I had a minute to check out. So much good stuff. Lots of cool things. It's cool to see that little corner of the industry still making cool stuff. So here we go. First up is this Prova. Prova's from Melbourne, Australia, and they make some really cool stuff. A lot of 3D printed parts, all titanium, and I thought this gravel bike was really cool. Also had a fully printed titanium fork, which I thought was super neat. I'm curious about titanium forks and how they ride, and printing it seems really interesting. I wish I could try one of these out. Here's the cross section of that fork. Pretty cool. Up next was this mini velo cargo bike from Lamarche. I love the way that Tom mounted the rack onto the frame with those big bosses, MA bolts, and I think Tom always kills it with the colors. Such simple utilitarian bikes, always really fun. You can tell Tom just likes to ride bikes for fun. Very cool. Then I spent some time over in the Francis Cycles booth. Francis is in Santa Cruz, California, and he's the best. I thought this fixie was really fun with the super tucked rear wheel. Love this little brace. And then I got to ride around this cargo bike. That was fun. I always love a homemade kickstand. And you can see you have a kit up front. Your handlebars move together. How cute is that? And then Tom and Zach took it out for a ride. Then one of my favorite things I saw was this Geo Shift bike that Tyler from Bitchin Bikes built. And the idea is he's built in a dropper post into the top tube that changes the C-tube angle, because the C-tube pivots at the bottom bracket. And I don't know if I'd want to ride this bike all the time, but it's fun to see really unique stuff happening. And there are a lot of work to go into making this happen. I thought it was a neat idea, and I thought it was really well executed, so that was fun to see. Do it again. Cool. That's cool. Some last little bits were these new cable adjusters from Paul, and those match up with their brake, the barrel adjusters that go on their brakes, which are always one of my favorite parts of their brakes. So cool to see you can use these in your clampers at the caliper to adjust the cable length. Super cool.
Always in the limelight. Yeah.
And then shout out to Brandis for the hot dog. And yeah, some fun stuff at outer shows.
Yeah, that's you. That's so cool.
Sklar Bicycles. I'm gonna like and subscribe. I'm gonna smash the shit out of that subscribe.
Yeah, so many things that I could have shown you there. Those were the ones that I had a minute to take videos of. If you were there or you saw stuff on the internet, let me know what your favorite things were. And thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe, and see you around.